Hi everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to disable Ctrl+ Scroll Zoom in Windows 11 or 10. You might already know the Ctrl+ Scroll functionality of Windows operating systems that allows you to zoom in or out in web browsers and other apps such as Microsoft Word documents. When you press the Ctrl key on your keyboard and then use the mouse wheel, the page zooms in and out accordingly. Although this helps you check the page in various resolutions, it might sometimes be annoying. For instance, if you are reading an article and the Ctrl key is not functioning pleasingly, you might not be able to scroll down using your mouse. Instead of scrolling up or down, you may end up zooming in and out. You might want to disable the Ctrl+ Scroll Zoom feature in such a situation. About No Mouse Wheel Zoom. The No Mouse Wheel Zoom is a freeware application that disables the Ctrl+ Scroll Zoom in all programs, including Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, Microsoft Word, etc. It is a free as well as a portable app that quickly disables zoom in and zoom out in all versions of Windows, including Windows 11 and 10. Whether you want to turn off the accidental zoom in or zoom out in Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other application, you can use this app. The No Mouse Wheel Zoom includes these three more options. Block in all windows. By default, this app blocks the zoom in or out function in browsers only. However, if you want to use the same feature in all the other apps, such as Microsoft Word Photos, etc., you can turn on this option. Pause No Zoom. If you need to pause the app temporarily, either close it from the system tray or use the Pause No Zoom option. Auto Start on Windows Startup. If you want to start this app automatically when you start your computer, this option is helpful. How to turn off Ctrl+ Scroll Zoom in Windows 11 or 10. If you want to disable the Ctrl+ Scroll Zoom in or out mouse wheel feature in any browser or other applications, first, download the mouse wheel zoom app on your computer by visiting the official website. Please note you can find the download link in this video description. Then, extract the contents of the zip file using any Achiever tool, such as WinRAR or WinZip. After that, double-click on the MWNoZoom.exe or MWNoZoom_x64.exe file according to your system architecture. Next, click on the Yes button if the UAC prompts. That's it. When you're done, open any browser and use the Ctrl+ Scroll Zoom functionality. It won't work anymore. Whether it is Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Microsoft Word, or anything else, you won't be able to use the Ctrl+ Scroll feature. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel GearUpWindows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.